Our lungs play an important role in helping our body function better. However, this causes our lungs to suck not only air but also some harmful substances like air pollutants and smoking. These contaminants increase the risk of respiratory health problems such as asthma, bronchitis, cystic fibrosis, and pneumonia. A good way to keep your lungs healthy is to exercise regularly and eat healthy foods. A healthy diet helps you to get far and keeps you away from any illness. Today, we will show you top 10 best foods for healthy lungs. But before starting the video, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and hit the bell icon below. Number 1. Apples. Researchers have linked good lung function to a high intake of vitamin C, E, and beta-carotene, all of which are present in apples. Apples are rich in antioxidants that help keep your lungs healthy. Number 2. Walnuts. Walnuts are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids. Eating a handful of these can help fight asthma and other respiratory problems. Omega-3 fatty acids are thought to be anti-inflammatory nutrients with a protective effect on inflammatory diseases. Number 3. Broccoli. Broccoli is rich in vitamin C, carotenoids, folate, and phytochemicals that fight against harmful substances in lungs. Broccoli is known to contain an active ingredient called L-sulforaphane, which stimulates cells to active anti-inflammatory genes that further prevent respiratory conditions. Number 4. Ginger. Ginger is anti-inflammatory and helps in detoxifying and eliminating contaminants from the lungs. Ginger helps relieve congestion close to the airways and improve the circulation in the lungs, further enhancing the health of the lungs. Number 5. Water. What is better and more effective than water? Water is the best way to detoxifying your body's processes. In addition, dry lungs tend to increase irritation and inflammation. So you must drink 6 to 8 glasses of water to keep yourself well hydrated. Number 6. Green tea. Green tea is a beverage that has a powerful effect on health. Epigallocatechin gallate is a catechin concentrated in green tea. It boasts of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties and has been shown to prevent fibrosis or tissue scarring. Pulmonary fibrosis is a disease characterized by progressive, uncompromising scarring of lung tissue. Some studies show that EGCG may help in the treatment of this disease. Now, before moving to the next one, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get instant notifications of our new video uploads. Number 7. Red cabbage. Red cabbage is an affordable and rich source of anthocyanins. The pigments of this plant give red cabbage its bright color. Anthocyanin intake has been associated with decreased lung function. What's more, cabbage is full of fiber. Studies have shown that people who consume more fiber have less lung function than those who consume less fiber. Number 8. Coffee. In addition to boosting your energy levels, your morning cup of joe can help protect your lungs. Coffee is rich in caffeine and antioxidants, which can be beneficial for lung health. Research shows that drinking coffee can help improve lung function and protect against respiratory diseases. For example, caffeine acts as vasodilator, meaning it helps open blood vessels and can help reduce the symptoms of people with asthma, at least in the short term. Number 9. Barley. Barley is a nutritious whole grain crop that is high in fiber. Whole grain-rich high-fiber foods have a protective effect on lungs function and can reduce the risk of death from lung-related diseases. Whole grain antioxidants such as flavonoids and vitamin E improve lung health and protect against cellular damage. Number 10. Lentils. Lentils are rich in nutrients that support lung function, including magnesium, iron, copper, and potassium. The Mediterranean diet, which is associated with improving lung health, is more common in lemons, such as lentils. Studies have shown that following the Mediterranean diet can protect the lung function of smokers. Also, eating lentils rich in fiber can help protect against lung cancer and COPD. Here we end up for today. Make sure you are adding these foods to your diet every day to ensure healthy and happy lungs. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, feel free to hit like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching.